Hello everyone is back with me on Bayou Permana YouTube channel and back again in the video editing tutorial segment. According to the title in this video, I will give you a tutorial on how to edit cinematic color, grading videos in CapCut with simple and easy. For examples of videos before and after, it is at the beginning of the video. If you like the video, don't forget to support this channel by subscribing, like, and share. So, we just start to the video tutorial. If you have prepared to hold the video on the editing timeline, immediately, you can remove the watermark cap. First step, click the adjust menu and you can set it in the adjust section according to the size I gave you. In the tutorial, next, you can choose the HSL menu and we will adjust the color to be sharper. Okay, and you can just follow the tutorial that I gave you for the size. Then finally, choose the color green. HSL is set next. I will set in the chart menu section. You can select again and then you can click the chart menu. And you can also follow the tutorial. The first one chooses white and you can just follow it according to what I give you. And the last set in the blue color chart section. If you have set the chart section, immediately you can go back and here I will add filters. You can choose the filter menu, select the life menu, then scroll down and you can select the Bad Bunny filter. Set the intensity to 100. Then you can extend the filter and adjust it to the end of the video. Okay, and you can check the color grading again. If the results are still lacking, you can set it again in the adjust menu or you can set it again in the graph menu or HSL. Because each video must be different in terms of exposure and device you use. So you can just set it again. So what do you think of the results? Good or not? Try to comment below. Maybe that's all for the tutorial for you. Good luck and hopefully useful tutorial. And if you like the tutorial, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.